Hi everyone. So we're going to learn how you can change your mouse cursor, style, color, and size. And we're also going to learn how you can check other mouse settings and other advanced mouse settings. And lastly, we're going to look at a quick way we can go about it. So it is going to be brief. Let me go straight to the point. So how do you do that? You either click on the key on the Windows button on your keyboard, or you just click on the Windows icon. You go to all, right, scroll down and scroll to settings. Yes, within the settings. When you get settings, you go on the left side of the bar, left side of the screen, that's sidebar. You click on accessibility and you select mouse pointer and touch. All right, and here you're able to see the default, which is this I'm using. You can change it to black. As you can see, it's changed already. You can change it to inverted. You can see it's changed, and you can change it to custom color. Right, they are default colors. You can see it keeps changing, and you can choose your customized color. Like choose another color. You click on this and select any color you want. So you're done if that's what you want. So and for the size, just right below it, you can see size. You see it keeps increasing. That's how you increase or decrease the size. You scroll down, you go on the mouse, okay, and you see more options. Primary mouse button, change it from left to right. Mouse pointer speed, you can adjust that. Enhance pointer precision, roll the mouse wheel, line to scroll at a time. So many options. Then for the advanced options, you click on this additional mouse settings. So it's going to pop this up, right, where you have even more advanced settings: buttons, switch primary and secondary, slow, fast, that's speed, double click speed, you do it slow or fast, pointers. You have so many options here that you can customize your pointers. You can also, for pointer options, you can select a pointer speed, you can select visibility. Do you want it to have a trail when moving, something like this? And you have options: hide pointer while typing, wheel, hardware. So you have more options here, and once you're satisfied, you click on it, and that's basically how you go about it. The next thing you're going to do, the next thing I want us to look into is how you can do this quickly, right? If you can't remember where we came from. So let's close this and click on the keypad, the Windows button again, and the Windows icon rather, and you can just type in mouse pointer and touch. So you see that mouse pointer and touch, and voila, you find yourself here. So you can do everything with just. So that's all. It was a short one. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.